If there is one thing Nollywood stars have proved to us this period, it is the fact that November might just be the new month of love and not February. This is because many Nollywood stars this month are celebrating their wedding anniversary. Wanna know who and who and who? Well, stay right here on The Gist on Plug TV Live for more. Hey there, welcome to The Gist on Plug TV Live. Nollywood stars celebrate Olu Jacobs and Joke Silva on their 35th wedding anniversary. Also celebrating their wedding anniversary is Lola Omotayo and Mr. P. Okoye. Details in just a little bit. One of Nollywood's most respected couples, Olu Jacobs and Joke Silva, have taken to social media to celebrate their 35th wedding anniversary. Joke Silva, while writing on her social media page, noted that she almost forgot it's their wedding anniversary, but added that she is grateful to God for the year she has spent with a sweetheart. She wrote, "Totally forgot. 35 years together. Thank you, Lord. Here is to many more. Happy wedding anniversary, Omoboy @_Olu Jacobs." Olu Jacobs and Joke Silva met in 1981, and it has been a journey full of good and inspiring stories since then. Olu Jacobs had said that the moment he set his eyes on Joke Silva, he knew she was his wife. He said they were having a management meeting for a play, Wole Soyinka's Jero Metamorphosis, when the young lady walked in. He added that immediately she walked in, something inside of him told him that she was going to be his wife, and she told the people around him that he was going to get married to her. That was around 1981, and by 1986, they got married. Olu Jacobs said at the time he was not in any relationship and had experienced several disappointments that has taken his eyes away from serious commitment. He said, however, meeting Joke Silva changed everything for him, and when they got together, they talked a lot, played a lot, and it surprised a lot of people. Olu Jacob also said they traveled a lot together, and when the time came, he did not hesitate to ask the question. According to him, he proposed to her in Tunisia because they were shooting the film Ashanti, and Joke Silva had gone to join him in Tunisia when she was heading to England. Well, very beautiful love story right there, and we say big congratulations to the very respected Olu Jacobs and Joke Silva, wishing them many more years together. Still talking about wedding anniversary, Lola Omotayo and Mr. P are also celebrating their wedding anniversary this month. The Nigerian singer-songwriter Peter Okoye, known professionally as Mr. P, and his wife Lola Omotayo celebrated 7 years of marriage and still counting. The couple who got married on November 17, 2013, have 2 kids together. In the message, Lola prayed for God to keep her spouse, and she also mentioned how she loves her husband. She says, "Happy anniversary to us, Peter P Square. You are simply the best. No longer P2. God bless you and keep you safe, and thank you for everything. I love you." Well, I'm also looking for love, so in case you know where to find it this November, do let me know. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go. See you soon, and happy anniversary to everyone celebrating.